Have you ever pondered the question, where did everything come from? The universe, with its infinite expanse of galaxies, stars, and planets, had to start somewhere, didn't it? Welcome to a journey back in time, to the very first moments of our universe's existence. Imagine a point, a singularity, where all matter, energy, space, and time were once concentrated. A point so infinitely dense, it held the potential for everything we see around us today. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the concept of the singularity. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of the physical world as it defies the laws of physics as we know them. From this singularity, the universe did not simply expand, it exploded. This was not an explosion in the normal sense, but rather a rapid stretching of space. Within the first split second of its existence, the universe went through a period of rapid expansion known as inflation. Picture a balloon inflating, but on an unimaginably massive scale. This expansion was so swift and so vast, it took the universe from being infinitesimally small to unfathomably large. In the fiery aftermath of this expansion, the universe was a hot, dense state, a primordial soup of particles. It was in this extreme environment that the first basic elements began to form through a process known as nucleosynthesis. The universe cooled enough to allow protons and neutrons to come together, forming the simplest and lightest elements, hydrogen and helium. This process of nucleosynthesis continued for about 3 minutes after the initial expansion, and then, as the universe continued to cool, it ended. And so, the universe as we know it began to take shape, with the first simple elements setting the stage for the formation of stars and galaxies. To summarize, it all started with a singularity, where everything that exists was once concentrated. From this point, the universe rapidly expanded, transforming from an infinitely small, dense point into an ever-growing expanse of space. In the aftermath of this expansion, the universe cooled, allowing for the formation of the first simple elements, hydrogen and helium, through nucleosynthesis. So next time you gaze up at the stars, remember, you're looking at the children of a singularity, a point where everything we know and everything we are began. This is the story of the universe's beginnings, a story of unimaginable scale and endless wonder.